Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General Information. Philippine Constitution.
Which of the following is not a qualification for senator? A. Natural-born citizen of the Philippines. B. At least 35 years old. C. Able to read and write. D. Resident of the Philippines for at least 2 years. The correct answer is letter D. Resident of the Philippines for at least 2 years. The power to declare the unconstitutionality of a law belongs to the A. Congress, B. President, C. Supreme Court, D. Commission on Elections. The correct answer is letter C. Supreme Court. The Bill of Rights is found in which article of the 1987 Constitution? A. Article 1, B. Article 2, C. Article 3, D. Article 4. The correct answer is letter C, Article 3. Freedom of speech and expression is classified as A. Political right, B. Civil right, C. Economic right, D. Statutory right. The correct answer is letter B, civil right. Who appoints the members of the Supreme Court? A. Congress, B. Judicial and Bar Council, C. President, D. Commission on Appointments. The correct answer is letter C, President.
Did you get them all right?